Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, and fans. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the touchscreen cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the three 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left system board bracket to the system board. Lift the left system board bracket off of the alignment pins on the system board and remove. Remove the 4mm and 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right system board bracket to the system board. Lift the right system board bracket off of the alignment pins on the system board and remove. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and carefully open the notebook. While supporting the top cover, remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the three 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully remove the alignment pins on the top cover from the display panel hinges and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: system board, touchpad board, speakers, power connector cable, real-time clock RTC battery, solid-state drive. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly.